If you want to create fade in and fade out transition, something like this, it's really simple for creating this type of transitions. For creating this type of transitions, first from here in the layer menu, new, add a solid and change the color to black and click on make composition size, and after that click on the OK. From here I want to start from here and open this transform group, and for opacity add a keyframe and drag this to 0. This is for first keyframe, and now drag this indicator to here, exactly that time. Change to next footage from here, drag this to 100 and again change this indicator to here, and for third drag this to 0. Now when we play that, you can see it's really good. But for creating professional fade in and fade out, just click on your layer, and after that in the edit menu click on the duplicate. That's really good. And now this layer 2, this solid, in the mode option change this to overlay, and now when we play that, it's really cool. It's much better and it's very professional fade in and fade out transition.